In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for landing page topics fast and easy. If you've been looking for a way to uncover trending topics that can drive traffic to your website, Google Trends is a tool you'll definitely want to get familiar with. It's a powerful way to see what people are searching for and can help you tailor your content to what is currently in demand. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of this insightful tool. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type Google Trends into the search bar and hit Enter. The first search result you see should be Google Trends. Click on it to open the page. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll want to click on the Explore option. This is where the real magic happens and allows you to start diving into the data. Now type in a broad topic that relates to your industry or product. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might search for terms like fitness supplements or home decor if that fits your area. Once you've entered your topic, hit the Enter key and watch as the data populates. With your topic in focus, it's time to tailor the filters to your needs. Adjust the location settings to target the region where your audience resides, as this can give you more relevant insights. Next, choose a time range that aligns with your goals. If you're looking for consistent interest, select the last 12 months. However, if you're looking for content that's currently trending, consider selecting a more recent range, like the last 30 days. It's also beneficial to choose a category if you want to narrow down your search further. Lastly, select a search type that suits your content strategy. Web search for general content, YouTube for video-centric pages, or news for buzzworthy topics. Once you've set your filters, take a look at the interest over time graph. This will show you peaks in search interest indicating trending topics you might want to consider for your landing page. For instance, a spike in searches for intermittent fasting supplements might inspire you to create a dedicated page. Scrolling down, you'll find the related queries. This section is especially useful as it showcases the exact phrases people are searching for. These terms, categorized into rising and top searches, can be terrific headers, blog posts, or personalized landing pages. For example, terms like best protein for women or pre-workout supplements benefits are great inspiration for content. Finally, don't forget to export your findings. By clicking Download CSV, you can save these rising topics and queries. Organizing them in a spreadsheet empowers you to efficiently plan multiple landing pages. By following these steps, you'll be able to harness the power of Google Trends to create content that's perfectly aligned with what people are searching for. Best of luck with your landing pages, and happy exploring.